All right. Let's put this in the box. We're gonna put this in the box first. Okay, they do like a little unboxing of the joint. That'll be like that. It's okay that it's recording, baby, because I thought you're gonna cut all this out later. It's not a big deal. We're gonna throw the bag in there. You feel me? Let me lead those. Okay, three, two, one. Oh, damn. So where's that? The camera's this high. Okay, so the camera's like that high. That's cool. All right, we're about to start this. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, three, two, one. Today we want to do the reviews of the Rick Owens. These are basically, you can see I'm a person. Look, okay, because it's not to show my face. It's actually to showcase the product. That's why I got the camera super low like this. But I am a person. So these are and you could go check out the Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing, see how I'm looking or whatever. So these are the boot sneakers by Rick Owens. They're basically a high top version of the Ramones with the zipper. They don't come with no laces. You understand me? They come in fresh because they're not coming with no laces. They're called black milk, even though it looks white to me. It's called black milk. It comes with a box. How big is this box? I got a Yeezy box right there. I'll show you. Look, this is how big this box is right here. This is how the dark shadow. Let's turn it the right way. If you got other boxes, you want to see how big this box is. That's a dark shadow box. This is a Yeezy 950. This is the boot box. That's a Yeezy 950 boot box. That's a little bigger. You understand? Just so you can see how big the box is. This is a Balenci box. These are my troopers, I think. There's a Balenci trooper box. So the box is pretty big because these are all gigantic boxes. It's not the same size as some sneaker box or something like that. Right? That's not the same size. Let's put these boxes away. Let's get to reviewing. Now, let's do a little unboxing. Even though I wore these because I wore them so I could tell you about them. These are the dark shadows. The box. It's a little, you gotta watch. If you're a box fanatic like me, you don't like your box ripped, you gotta watch it because it feels like you could easily rip the box trying to pull it out like initially, but it gets all right. It comes with a little bag, you understand? A little dark shadow bag. This is cool. The bag is high quality. The bag is pretty thick. The bag is, it's like a thicker, to describe it, says dark shadow DRKSHDW on the bottom. To describe it, the bag, what would I describe it like? It's a thick canvas material. You could compare it. It's definitely rugged. It's like maybe the same material as some Converse or something. It's not a bag material. It's a thick material. You could put something super heavy. Like you could probably put I think you could put a 50-pound weight in here. You could put a 50-pound weight in here and nothing happens. So that's the bag. Here's the shoes when you take them out. It doesn't come with anything. It came with like a little card or something. You see the little card still in there. You feel me? It came with some type of little card. I don't know where the card is at. It's not important. It comes with like some little Rick Owens, like a little I think it came with a car. I don't know. It could have been this or some other rips. It comes with a little car. But let's close that box. It's a gigantic box. Now the first thing you're gonna notice when you pull these out is it's super tall. They are super tall. They're very very tall shoes. Very tall shoes. But I like them. They're different. You're not gonna see these. You can't you can't get these anywhere. They have a version out now. It's called like the Lido. The Lido is similar. It has two metal eyelets in the back. It has two metal eyelets in the back. It's very similar. Here you can see the dark shadow. Got the little Rick thing right here. It's a nice canvas inside. Even though they look like Converse, I'll tell you, they're very high quality. They don't feel like Converse at all. And you see, they do not come with shoelaces. No shoelaces at all. If you look at the material goes side to side like this. It goes side to side on the side, and it goes side to side like this going up. So it's a very nice material. It has a nice zipper. The zipper's a nice chrome. Got the dark shadow inside. You feel me? Comes with the big box. You could take this big box. I don't know. The box is could you fit a flat screen TV in here? You could if you like a mouse or something. If you like some type of little animal, you could fit a mouse or something in here. But the thing about Rick's, everything is very solid. It's not like a Converse. Because a lot of people are like, are those like Converse? No, it's not like a Converse. This is a very solid shoe. The toe is very hard. It's not. You know what? If somebody stepped on your toe in these, I don't think you would feel it on your toe. That's how hard it is. Way harder than sneakers. Also, when you sit inside, this whole rubber thing is very, very, very hard. Everything is hard. It's a nice construction. It's not what I thought or anybody thinks it is. It's not like a Converse. Also, it's tilted up in the front, which is kind of cool because when you walk, it's not laying flat on the ground. So when you walk, it feels different. It feels like nice and light because you get like a little rocking motion. You get a little rocking motion when you walk. So it's definitely a good feeling shoe while you're walking. You're going to get a lot of compliments on these too because there's nothing like this. Now, I usually wear all black. Usually, you know, I'm a opium fit type of guy. So I usually wear all black, but since summertime is coming, you can actually wear these in the summer because they go good with a nice contrast. Since they're very tall, if you have on black, you can see that they're tall, of course, but when you have on a nice jean or something, you could see the contrast. Like you could see how tall they are. I'll put them on. I usually don't put on because I don't have shoes in my house, but you could see how they look on. They're very tall. They don't come up to your knee, but it's a very tall shoe. So when you have these on, you're out. They definitely stand out. The tongue is humongous. Look how tall the tongue is. The tongue is huge. It definitely stands out. These are definitely Rick's all the way. Nobody's going to think you have on Converse or anything. They may ask you, did you take out the laces? They may ask you, yo, why you take out the lace? They don't come with laces. This is how Rick is doing it. And this is one of the reasons people like Rick. Rick doesn't just change the color on stuff. He'll come out with a different silhouette. He has a lot of silhouettes. He'll add a little flair and a little thing or two to him. Maybe turn them fur or python. But it's a silhouette. This is what we want. This is the people that are into clothes that dress. You know, if you a guy and you got 200 Marshall shirts, Marshall polos, if you got 200 Marshall polos, and you got the big horse, the little horse, the stripes and stuff, you really don't care about silhouettes. You kind of care about the name, like, yo, I got this or whatever. The Ricks, you don't need a fancy, you don't need it to say Rick Owens 20 times on it because it looks like something. That's the easiest way for me to explain to people. It looks like something. You know, a lot of my friends, they'll have on something super fresh. And, you know, but it has, not that it has labels on it. They'll have on something, but without the labels, it's regular. It's super mid. Rick, you don't even need any labels on it because even a person that's not into fashion, they're going to see those and they're going to be like, wow, what is that? You know, if you out and you're wearing like some type of, what, can you see? I don't know, can you see these? If you out and you're wearing some type of mega laces or something, like those are the hexes, but similar to the megas, this is a mega type lace, boo. If you're out wearing something like that, it doesn't have to say anything on it because whoever sees it is going to say, wow, this person took time to design it. Same thing. What? Oh, I got some tabbies here too. Look, if you out here with some tabbies or something on certain, these are Margies, these are Margellas. But if you're out here with certain things on, you don't need the labels. If you see my Pharrell Louis Vuitton review, I'll probably put this one out first because I got rushed to some Yeezy stuff and all that because Yeezy shipping and I got the tour merch. But if you see a lot of this stuff, a lot of complaints are, man, like, we wanted a new silhouette. We wanted something that looked new, something that looked exciting. And that's what you get with Rick Owens. A lot of his stuff is new. A lot of his stuff is exciting. You're not going to confuse this with anything else. You know, some people will say, oh man, it looks like you're saying that, but it looks like a Converse. Yes, it looks like a Converse, but it doesn't look like a Converse because there's no Converse that really looks like this. If Converse has a tall one, it'll be tall. The materials aren't high quality. Everything will be leaning over. These are high quality materials. Like, if you wanted to fold this down, look, it doesn't even stay down. Look, you try to fold it down. Look, it's going to spring. Like, these are high quality materials. The tub in here, when you stick your foot in here where your shank and stuff is, it's hard. It's nice, high quality. It's not so hard that it's uncomfortable, but it's nice, high quality stuff. Even though it's a flat looking shoe like this, you could walk around for hours in this. It's super, super comfortable. I recommend, if you're looking at this Rick or any other Rick as far as sizing is concerned, let's say you wear an 11 and a half, I would go with the 11 because if you have a wide foot, they don't have half sizes, meaning that if you wear 11 and a half in a Rick, if you get a 12, it's going to be big. But if you wear 11 and a half and maybe you have some 10s in your closet and they ain't killing you, you could get a size down. Rick is one thing where you could size down. So ultimately, I'm trying not to keep you guys forever. How long I've been recording this? Man, I hope it didn't go that long. My watch says it went over 10 minutes, but hopefully it's not that long. The thing I'm going to tell you is if you could get some Ricks, get some Ricks. It's definitely something new. It's definitely exciting. They're comfortable. They look like something. You don't need LVs or Nikes or something. They look like something. They're different. They're timeless. You could wear these a couple years from now. They're still going to look like something. See, that's the thing. A lot of people, they wear very plain clothes because they're scared that, man, if I spend $1,000 on some shoes, it's gonna be out of style next year. Like right now, we'll offer the Air Jordan 1s. If you got Air Jordan 1s, unless you got like some, I don't know, something crazy, some Tribes, some Off-Whites, basically it's a wrap. Even if you go to sell your, like nobody even wants them because we're so flooded with Jordans. This is not the same for Rick Owens. This is always going to be an in-demand thing because it's hard to get. Not that it's hard to, yeah, it's hard to get. They usually sell out kind of fast. They're pricey. They're different looking. They're bold. A lot of people aren't going to want to take a chance and even wear something like this, or they're not going to know what to wear with. Oh, let's go over that. How would I wear this? You could either wear them out like that over your pants. But if I wear them out over the pants, even though, you know, I'm an opium fit type of guy, meaning I dress all black a lot. You could wear this with some blue jeans, throw this over some blue jeans. You could wear this with shorts. You could wear this. You could wear it with your black jeans, but it ain't going to stand out as much. It ain't going to show the love. You could cover them. You could cover them like you could have a big wider jean and you could cover them. It's a lot of little things that you could do with this. There's a lot. It's a versatile shoe. So how do I rate this, Rick? Because I rate it. I'm the teacher. You know, I'm the fit villain. How do I rate these Rick Owens? I'll actually give them an A+. I'll give them an A+ because they're nice. They stand out, but they don't stand out so much that they look corny that you can't wear them all the time. They're not seasonal. You could wear them winter, summer, whatever. They're very nice. The construction is incredible. When you get to Rick Owens, it's not gonna. People are looking at like, oh, even this, like if you go side to side, and this is what the bottom of Ricks look like too. They have a little grip and stuff. You know, try not to walk them down. If you walking like on the side or something, you know, try not to walk down your Ricks. But the construction is good. They're nice. They're breathable. You know, if you will feed a person into animals and stuff, it's not really going to harm the environment and stuff like that. I rate them an A. I love them. I rate them an A. You get the little bag. You feel me? I have so many bags. I got everything comes with a bag nowadays. I appreciate it, but I do have a lot of bags. You could take this, maybe you run into the store or something, you throw this on, have a little conversation with somebody that recognizes it or something. But ultimately, I give these an A+. I love them. They Ricks. They ain't going to go out of style. They look like something. High quality. What would I change about them? If I could change one thing about them, it's not much I would change about them because they got the zipper. I like that Ricks be having the zipper on the side. They got the zipper on the side. It's not I wore them. I love them. I like them. I would change the box. That's corny. That's corny. But that's the only thing I would change. I would probably make the box so that the box doesn't rip, because you know you have a lot of shoes. You've got them in boxes all over the place. So that's the only thing I change about. But ultimately, love the Ricks. It's a real nice shoe. Get you a pair. You can't find these probably. They got I told you they got the new ones. They're like Lidos or something. They're not that expensive. You probably get them under $800. You know. And that's what I gotta say. You know, get you some Ricks, man. Throw the little Ricks on and stuff. Go out. Take Shorty out. You know, take Shorty out. You could take it somewhere. You guys are dressed nice, so you could go anywhere. Go for a walk. If you don't have any money, take her out. Go for a walk. You got on the Ricks. Make sure she got on something. You know what I'm saying? She ain't got nothing. And if she don't have a lot of money, you done spent all the money on the Ricks because you're a selfish person. You know, buy her some pandas because you got on the Ricks, she got on the pandas. Both y'all looking good. You know, you ain't got to go crazy, get you a little essential hoodie or something. But, you know, definitely tune in with the Ricks, man. I think the Ricks, yeah, it's getting an A from the Fit Villain. Come check us out. We got more stuff. I got to do the review on the Kanye West stuff because I just saw the shipment. It just shipped, so I got to hurry up and review it for everybody else does. And that's it, man. Get you some Ricks. Here's the Ricks. I put them there. That's the front view. Boom. Side. Boom. Backs. Boom. See how wide they are right top? That's kind of dope. Bottom. Boom. From the top, when you wearing them, this is how they look. You understand? You walking down the street to people, this is how they look. They dope, man. Some Batman villain joints, man. Get you some Ricks. All right. That's it. I'm out, man. Take care. See you guys later. Until the next review.